try repeating some of those words in French. No, you leave for Paris in 2 weeks.
Yes, but I don't have to actually speak French. I just have to sound French. That way, if the Parisians find me just another uncouth American.